Hey everybody, welcome to Fire Eats and Treats. My name is Demond and today I'm excited to bring to you an all-time classic family recipe. My mom, aka Gigi, aka Mama Joyce, will show us how to make my grandma's famous fried chicken. Let's go. This recipe has been in our family for generations and was passed down to my mom from her mother, Ruth L. Frazier.
That's right. And the best part of this recipe is that it's something you can make at home with just a few simple ingredients. I can walk you through this every step of the way and you will love it. So let's get together. Let's go on and do this thing.
Begin by butchering a whole chicken into traditional sections. In addition, cut wings in half and breast into 2 to 4 pieces depending on the size of your chicken. Smaller pieces of similar size will cook more evenly. To see how to do this, check out Mama Joyce's video on cutting a whole chicken so that it's perfect for frying. Next, wash the chicken to remove any excess fat or debris, and clean any surface that has come into contact with the raw chicken or its juices. Now let's season our chicken. Sprinkle each side with salt, black pepper, Lowry's seasoned salt, and a touch of cayenne pepper. There are no exact measurements when cooking in the Grandma Frazier tradition, but you can find ingredients and amounts that will get you in the neighborhood in the description below this video. Now go ahead and massage the seasoning into the chicken, then set aside while you prepare your oil and breading. Fill an electric skillet with 1/2 inch of Crisco pure vegetable oil, and Mama Joyce says it has to be Crisco. Then preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While this oil heats up, let's talk to Mama Joyce.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about how you first learned to fry chicken and why this recipe is such an important part to our family history?
Okay, it started with my mother, which is Ruth L. Frazier. My mother taught me everything about cooking, and her fried chicken was to live for. I used to have to cook when I came home from high school for my dad because he worked construction. So I would come home from high school, I would cook him fried chicken and mashed potatoes and maybe green beans so he could have something to eat after having a hard day at work. Then as I had my family, I decided to, on Thursday nights, because I went bowling, would have fried chicken, potato salad, and green beans. And I could do that meal in an hour. Fried chicken, potato salad, green beans, flat. Now you can clock that.
All right, so you hear that? It's more than just fried chicken. You're gonna have to check out another video to learn how to make some of these other recipes. Right now, it's about time to get that chicken cooking. Let's go.
It's time to make our breading mixture. In a brown paper bag, add your flour, Lowry's seasoned salt, and black pepper. Seasoning the breading will give your chicken an extra layer of flavor, and I guarantee it's gonna be fire.
Hi, frying some chicken. Go Ruth L. That's my mother.
Mix up the breading, add 3 or 4 pieces of chicken to the bag, and shake until well coated. Once the oil reaches temperature, shake off any excess breading and place as many pieces in the skillet as can fit without touching each other. Cover and cook for 9 to 12 minutes on the first side. Flip and cook an additional 7 to 10 minutes. As Mama Joyce explains, cooking times may vary slightly depending on the overall size of your pieces.
Now I have this chicken in the skillet and it is frying. I'm just waiting because it has to take a certain amount of time. It all depends on how large your chicken pieces are. I really like to fry small pieces of chicken because they fry up better. And if you have small pieces, I give it at least 10 minutes on one side and maybe 10 minutes on the other side. If you have large pieces, then you probably want to go 12 to 13 minutes. But you would have to look at it. It will look pretty brown on the edges, then you know it's time to flip.
I just can't wait to eat it.
Well, me either, because my saliva glands are salivating now because it's going to be so good.
When the chicken is golden brown and has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the skillet and allow it to drain on layered paper towels. Let the chicken rest for at least 3 to 5 minutes. This gives your chicken plenty of time to come to temperature and allows the juices to redistribute. After that, your chicken is ready to eat.
All right, everybody, it's time to taste this fried chicken. I will tell you what, everybody here has been waiting for hours and they are ready to taste it. So here we go. This is juicy, salty, crispy goodness. It's quite good.
Taste everything.
Believe organization. They can't give me no good better. Okay. I know what you said. Now you said. Yeah, he said, well, why didn't you give me a bigger piece?
This is my second plate.
See.
When you say, Daryl, you can just focus in on anything.
There you have it, folks. My Grandma Frazier's famous fried chicken recipe brought to you by the one and only Mama Joyce. Trust me, once you give this a try, you'll understand why it's been a family favorite for generations. So give it a try and let us know in the comments how it turns out. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, to comment, and subscribe so that you can be notified when new videos drop. See you next time.
Later. I'm out. She also said, don't lean it. That's a meat right there. That's what Granny said, too. Except for Granny, she put the whole thing in her mouth.